To get daily news updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be Area TV, follow us for our Facebook wey be Area Television, follow us for our Instagram wey be Area Television. You fit still join us for our WhatsApp platform to get express news. The number na 090-184-79883. Now the news. 64 people injured for Kano petrol tanker explosion wey explode on Saturday for Kano. For Al-ihsan filling station for Sharada for Kano State. Spokesman of the fire service wey confirm the matter on Sunday tok say na 8 fire service pipo na come quench the fire. Say after dem receive call from one Malam Umar Shaibu and Nigerian Communication Commission at around 4:20 for evening say tanker catch fire for Sharada area. E tok say the tanker bin dey offload the petrol for filling station when the tanker catch fire. The people wey injure for the fire dey come get to rush dem go Murtala Mohammed Specialist Hospital and Nasarawa Hospital, and e still tok say nobody die for inside the matter.
Yeah.